The Panchshil agreement was between which two countries? So this is an agreement treaty which was signed on 29 April 1954. So it's an agreement between which two countries? So the country is India and China. And this agreement, that means this treaty was signed at a place called Peking in 29 April 1954. And as we know that the capital of China is Beijing. But before 1979, Beijing is known as Peking. And after 1979, Peking became Beijing. And so have the correct answer India and China. And which language is spoken by the Chinese? So Mandarin language is spoken by the Chinese person, and China capital is Beijing. Which of the following institution deals with the credit to agriculture and rural development? RBI, SIDBI, SEBI, NABARD. Here the correct answer is NABARD, that means National Agriculture Banking and Rural Developments. Institution deals with the credit to agriculture and rural developments. And the headquarter you will find in Mumbai. And previously the chairman was Harsh Kumar Bhanwala. But now who has become the new chairman for the NABARD? It's Chintala Govinda Rajallu. So Chintala Govinda Rajallu has become the new chairman for the NABARD, and he is from Andhra Pradesh. And the headquarters you will find in Mumbai, established in 1982. And RBI, who is the chairman for the RBI? It's Shakti Das, and the headquarters you will find also in Mumbai, and it is established on 1st April 1935, and thus nationalization was done on 1st of January 1949. And SIDBI for what? So SIDBI, a small industry development bank of India, and headquarters you will find in Lucknow. And who is the MD and chairman for the SIDBI? It's Mohammad Mustafa. Mohammad Mustafa is the chairman and MD for the CDB, Small Industrial Development Bank of India. And one more, SEBI, that means Security Exchange Board of India. Headquarter you will also find in Mumbai. And who is the chairman for this SEM? It's Ajay Tyagi. Ajay Tyagi is the chairman for the Security Exchange Board of India, and he is an IAS officer. And here the correct answer is NABARD, who deals with the credit to agriculture and rural development. And Chintala Govinda Rajallu has become the new chairman for the SAM. Where will you find the headquarter of IEA? That means International Energy Agency. So the headquarter of International Energy Agency you will find in Paris. Paris, which is capital of France. And in Paris we will also find the headquarter of UNESCO, that means United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. And who is the Director General for this SAM? It's Audrey Azoulay. And you will also find the headquarter of OECD, that means Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, in Paris. So here the correct answer is Paris, which is the headquarter of International Energy Agency. The headquarter of International Energy Agency I have told you earlier. And where will you find the headquarter of IEA? In Paris. Paris, which is capital of France. And IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency, headquarter you will find in Vienna, which is the capital of Austria. And in Vienna you will also find the headquarter of OPEC, that means the Organization of Petroleum Export Country. And IRENA, that means International Renewable Energy Agency, headquarter you will find in Abu Dhabi. So here you have to listen carefully that what I want to say. So here International Energy Agency headquarter you will find in Paris, which is capital of France. But International Atomic Energy Agency headquarter you will find in Vienna, which is capital of Austria. International Renewable Energy Agency headquarter you will find in Abu Dhabi. So you have to remember all three. India's first and only floating post office is located in which lake? So correct answer is Dal Lake. So India's first and only floating post office you will find in Dal Lake. And Dal Lake you will find in Jammu and Kashmir. And Dal Lake is also declared as a eco-sensitive zone. And in Jammu Kashmir you will find Dachigam National Park, Hemis National Park, Kishtwar National Park, and one more, Tral Wildlife Sanctuary. Tral Wildlife Sanctuary, it is newly created wildlife sanctuary, and it is famous for Kashmiri Hangul. And here the correct answer is Dal Lake. Dreams from My Father and American Factory. This book was written by which person? So name of that person is Barack Obama. So Barack Obama has written this book, Dreams from My Father and American Factory. And Barack Obama, he was the former president of USA. And name of the wife of Barack Obama, it's Michelle Obama. So Michelle Obama is the name of that wife of Barack Obama. And here the character is Barack Obama, who has written the book Dreams from My Father and American Factory. Who is the managing director and chief executive officer of Paytm Payment Bank? Hey, listen carefully. I'm not asking you about who is the MD and CEO of Paytm. I'm just asking you about who is the CEO and MD of Paytm Payment Bank. So it's Satish Kumar Gupta. And who is the CEO of Paytm? It's Vijay Shekhar Sharma, and he is also the founder and CEO of Paytm. And one more, now Paytm is also in insurance. So who is the chief executive officer for this time? It's Vineet Arora. And here the correct answer is Satish Kumar Gupta. So Paytm founder and CEO it's Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Paytm Payment Banks MD and CEO it's Satish Kumar Gupta. And Paytm Insurance Bank it's Vineet Arora. Where will you find the headquarters of European Central Bank? So you will find the headquarters of European Central Bank in Frankfurt in Germany. And Germany capital is Berlin. And who is the Chancellor of Germany? It's Angela Merkel. And here the correct answer is Frankfurt, which is the headquarters of European Central Bank. Here don't confuse with European Central Bank with European Investment Bank. The headquarters of European Investment Bank you will find in Luxembourg, and the capital of Luxembourg is Luxembourg City. And Luxembourg is a place where the public transport is free, and it is the first country where the public transport is totally free. So you have to remember carefully that headquarters of European Central Bank you will find in Frankfurt in Germany, but the headquarters of European Investment Bank you will find in Luxembourg. So here the correct answer is Frankfurt. Who is the Chief Executive Officer and the founder of Oyo Room? Oyo Room, as you know very well. So Ritesh Agarwal is the CEO and the founder of Oyo Rooms. And why I am asking you these questions? Because Ritesh Agarwal, who is the founder and CEO of Oyo Rooms, has become the second youngest self-made billionaire in the world. So he is in news. And who gained the first positions? So Kylie Jenner at the age of only 22 is the youngest billionaire in the whole world. So first position was gained by the Kylie Jenner, and second position was gained by Ritesh Agarwal, who is the CEO and the founder of Oyo Room, and he is an Indian. 24th meeting of Eastern Zonal Council was held in which city in India? Here the correct answer is Bhubaneswar. So 24th meeting of Eastern Zonal Council was held in Bhubaneswar city, and it was presided over by the Home Minister Amit Shah. Here remember one thing, that whenever there will be meeting of Eastern Zonal Council, it too will be chaired by the Home Minister. And currently who is the Home Minister of India? It's Amit Shah. So it was chaired by the Home Minister Amit Shah. The places which separate 8-degree channel. So the places Lakshadweep and Maldives separate the 8-degree channels. And if you want to go in the deep, then I want to tell you that the Minicoy and the Maldives separate the 8-degree channel. And Lakshadweep capital is Kavaratti and Maldives capital is Malé. Kiri bhat, it's a traditional dish made from rice, is from the country. So the correct answer is Sri Lanka. So it's a rice and it is from Sri Lanka. And Sri Lanka capital is Sri Jayawardhan Kotte. And who is the Prime Minister? It's Mahinda Rajapaksa, and President is Gotabaya Rajapaksa. And both are brothers. So correct answer is Sri Lanka.